Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Puppeteer. Puppeteer is a node library which provides high-level API to control Chrome or Chromium. First, we need to install Puppeteer. To install Puppeteer, we can use command npm I Puppeteer. Let's try npm I Puppeteer. Now we have successfully installed on our system. We can write a code to grab a screenshot of a website. First, we are going to require Puppeteer, constant Puppeteer, require Puppeteer, and now going to use async. And get the browser. Await Puppeteer. Dot launch to launch the browser. And now we are going to get the page, const page. It is similar to opening a page tab. Await browser dot new page, and await page dot go to. We can go to this URL over here, https sample.com, to grab a screenshot of this page. To get a screenshot, we will call page dot screenshot and pass in the path to our image file. That will be screenshot.png. And now we are just going to close the browser after grabbing the screenshot. Wait, browser dot close. And save our code. So you're just semicolon missing over here. Now we can run our app by typing node and demo.js and hit enter. And our program ran successfully. We can open the screenshot.png file in our browser and see if we are able to grab the screenshot of example.png. website. And here is the screenshot of that website. We can also create a PDF from a site URL. Let's try. We can just change this line over here. Instead of taking a screenshot, we are going to generate a PDF and also add something over here. So after this, we are going to add weight until network idle to and change this to PDF instead of screenshot. Call to a PDF function and change the name of our PDF file. That will be demo.pdf. And then we are going to specify the format. Format A4. And save our code and run. We can run our program again by typing the same thing, node, and then our uh, program name, that is demo.js, and just hit enter. And then we are going to open that PDF file if it is generated in our browser, or you can use a PDF. And here it is, the PDF generated for us. So this way we can use Puppeteer to grab the screenshot of a website or web page and to generate a PDF from a URL. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.